In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel stressed and disconnected. Our daily routines are often filled with endless tasks and responsibilities, leaving us little time to relax and unwind. The constant pressure can make us feel overwhelmed and anxious. Our minds race with worries and we long for a moment of peace. We seek solace in various ways, but sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Imagine finding a place where your mind can be at ease, where the worries of the world seem to melt away. But what if there was a simple, natural way to find relief? A method that doesn't require any special equipment or extensive planning. Just a place where you can go to feel rejuvenated and refreshed. The answer lies in the power of Blue Health, the proven benefits of being near water, especially the sea. Studies have shown that spending time by the water can significantly reduce stress and improve overall well-being. The sound of waves, the sight of the vast ocean, and the feeling of the sea breeze can all contribute to a sense of calm and tranquility. Have you ever noticed how simply gazing at the ocean can make you feel smaller, yet somehow more connected to something bigger? The vast expanse of water stretching out to the horizon has a way of putting things into perspective. It reminds us of the immense scale of the world and our place within it. This feeling of being part of something larger can be incredibly grounding and humbling. Psychologists call this feeling awe, and it's a powerful antidote to stress. When we experience awe, our minds shift away from daily worries and anxieties. The rhythmic sound of the waves, the salty breeze, and the endless blue can all contribute to a sense of peace and relaxation. It's as if the ocean has a natural ability to soothe our souls and calm our minds. The sea is our biological point of origin, and we share a deep connection with it. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, the ocean is teeming with life. This underwater world is a reminder of the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. Swimming among the marine life can be a magical experience, making us feel like we are part of this vibrant ecosystem. Our bodies are made mostly of water, and even our tears and sweat mimic the salty composition of the sea. This connection is more than just physical. It's emotional and spiritual as well. Water has a way of cleansing and rejuvenating us. Standing in the rain by the sea, feeling the droplets on our skin, can be a powerful reminder of our bond with nature and the cycles of life. Whether you're walking on the sand, feeling the grains beneath your feet, or swimming in the waves, letting the cool water wash over you, or simply meditating by the shore, listening to the rhythmic sound of the waves crashing, the sea offers a chance to escape mental struggles and find restoration. The vastness of the ocean can make your worries seem small, providing a sense of perspective and peace. Water sports, especially in the sea, are incredibly beneficial for people with disabilities. They provide not only physical exercise but also emotional and psychological benefits, offering a sense of freedom and autonomy. The feeling of moving through the water can be liberating, allowing individuals to experience a level of independence that might be hard to find on land. Adaptive equipment and activities make it possible for everyone to experience the transformative power of the ocean. Specialized gear ensures that everyone, regardless of their physical abilities, can enjoy the water safely and comfortably. The ocean's healing properties are accessible to all, making it a universal source of joy and rejuvenation. The sea invites us to step away from our worries and connect with something larger than ourselves. It reminds us that we are part of a vast and interconnected world, and that peace and restoration are always within reach.